Okay, this is the bottom of the slicer, and first thing you need to do is take out the cover, and the parts that I'm going to send to you, it's these parts and this one. Now, all you need to do is take this apart, and this you just need to pull it and to replace it, and it's gonna be like that. Okay, and the parts I'm going to send to you, put this one to that one and then press it. Alright, and once you connect this to the proper wiring, and then you should be set to go, and you're going to test it and let us know if it's working or not. Alright, thank you.